This is another product my husband added to our garden setup. We were starting to get berries, but we also have critters, so we needed some protection. This is the crop cage from VEVOR. It's a tall plant protection tent measuring about 9 feet by 0.5 times 6.3 feet. So it gives plenty of room for raised beds or taller plants like tomatoes. What we like about is the structure. It feels really sturdy and wind resistant once assembled, which is important in an outdoor garden space. The netting helps protect plants from birds and other pests like squirrels and rabbits without blocking airflow. There's also a zippered door, which makes it really easy to access the plants for watering, pruning, harvesting without having to remove the entire thing. Installation was pretty straightforward, and once it's up, it creates a defined, protected growing area. If you're looking for a way to protect your garden beds while still allowing sunlight and airflow, this is a practical option to consider, and it definitely helps keep those critters out, which we definitely appreciate because we have lots of blueberries coming this year, finally, for the first time ever, so we're very happy to keep them protected. It's a nice addition to our garden.